Good evening, Philippines. I'm back with our tropical weather analysis. This is Mike Padua, and this is for today, Wednesday through Friday, October 20 to 22, 2021. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set beginning today, Wednesday until tomorrow, Thursday. We have the return of the intertropical convergence zone affecting Visayas, Mindanao, and Mimaropa. So these areas will have isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms. And up here across the Batanes, Babuyan Islands, eastern sections of northern and central Luzon, Quezon Province, and the Bicol region, we have the northeasterly surface wind flow, or in short, simply northeasterlies. We can also call this as a weak amihan. But this monsoon is not yet onset, so we'll have to wait until November until Pag-asa declares it, or officially declares this winter monsoon, I mean. And outside of the Philippine area of responsibility, we have here a surface trough and a new low pressure area developed, which has developed over the central portions of Micronesia. And this LPA is expected to move towards the Marianas within the next couple of days, with some hint of becoming a tropical cyclone next week. Okay, but the good news, I'm gonna show it to you in a while, what will be the output of this LPA out there over Micronesia. So so far the high pressure here over eastern China is beginning to strengthen as we move into the month of November, so that will be the start of the northeasterly monsoonal flow, northeast monsoon. And if we take a look at the fast animation, you can clearly see here the cloudiness generated by the intertropical convergence zone, and we have here a surface trough and LPA 98W right here over the east-southeast of Marianas. Let's take a look at the latest rainfall accumulation for the next 24 hours from the European model. So for tomorrow, for the next 24 hours, we would expect isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across the country, becoming more intense here over areas of western Mindanao, particularly Zamboanga Peninsula, and also here across Sulu Archipelago and northern Palawan. Okay, and here is the trough, which is expected to move towards the west for the next couple of days, and we're going to keep an eye on this system for possible development into a low pressure area, which most of the computer models suggested. Now let's take a look at the wind, pressure, and rain forecast from the European model. So until Friday, and we're going to take a look until this weekend. So by tomorrow afternoon, thunderstorm activity and isolated showers will continue to prevail all across the country because of the intertropical convergence zone, particularly over central and southern Philippines. And on Friday afternoon, still isolated rain showers and thunderstorms will be expected across Palawan, Sulu, Archipelago, Visayas, and Mindanao. And here comes the surface trough, likely developing into a low pressure area, but a weaker one. And on Saturday, it's likely to traverse the Visayas, the potential LPA, and on Sunday it will move into the Sulu Archipelago, slowly intensifying. Okay, and here's the LPA 98W, or it could be the next one. So here's the LPA to the northwest of Guam. Okay, so that's the latest. If we take a look at the Global Tropics Hazards and Benefits Outlook of the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA, this is for the next 2 weeks, issued every Wednesday. So this is for week 1, valid October 20 to 26. The Philippine Islands will still have above average rainfall until the end of the month. and we have here a dark red or dark maroon, meaning there will be a high, meaning there will be a high probability or confidence of a LPA becoming a tropical storm or tropical depression. But I think this will form to the west of the country as it moves towards Vietnam. So that will be the forecast, what I see, based on what I saw on the computer models. And this one, which is still at 50% probability or medium chance, is the LPA98W that could become a tropical cyclone. So we'll keep an eye on that. And on week 2, valid October 27 to November 2, all the weather conditions across the Philippine Islands will be neutral or normal, without any rainfall, without any without any weather system. So it's all clear till November 2 on week 2, October 27 to November 2. And that's it. That's the latest for today, Wednesday, and we will return on Friday to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this has been Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #WeatherWiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.